Hi. Can you laugh for the camera? He's trying to sit up. You doing sit-ups? Working on those abs? Yeah.
Mommy and Daddy need to work on their abs.
Yeah, we do. Uh-huh. Can I make you laugh yet? You ready to laugh? Ready? You're just not very laughable tonight. Ready? I'm going to try to throw her in the
She's
air.
talkative. She's not laughable.
You're not laughable.
Or laughing.
Let's throw her in the air. You're going to laugh when I throw you up. Ready? You're going to go up in the air. You're going to go up in the air. You ready? Whee! Whee! She's kind of smiling. Whee! Watch her laughing. Whee! Whee! She's like, whoa. Whee! You laughing?
Well, you're talking over it. That's why I can't.
Is that funny? Do you like that, or are you gonna barf? You ready? Whoosh you. Whoosh you. Whoosh you. I don't think she's gonna laugh anymore. Yeah.
Yeah, there it is. There's your smile.
Ready? Look at that face. Too much. I think that's good enough for us to barf.
He's a little cutie. We love you, Taylor.
Say hi, everybody.
Yay!
Yeah, hi.
Yay!
Yeah, we're gonna go get a bottle now.
Okay. All right. See ya.